This backup camera can be installed in less than 3 minutes and it works so well. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Not all vehicles come with backup cameras, but once you have used one, you will want them in all of your cars. This is a solution for you if your vehicle doesn't have a backup camera. The installation for this was so easy. You install it right to your license plate. Unscrew your license plate, install the back plate, and then install the camera. The camera keeps charged with solar power, so there's no need to install any wires. Now take the monitor and the mounting bracket and place it wherever you would like in your car. The monitor has a cable that you can plug in to charge its battery. That's it. Setup is complete. I also want to note that even though the camera is charged by solar, there is a plug that you can use to charge it if need be. The monitor will display a 1080 real-time image when you show the camera. This is a 7-inch display, which makes everything really easy to see even at night. Yes, this camera system has night vision and works in low light and dark environments as well. The camera to the monitor has a wireless signal of 40 feet, so you could even use it in an RV. When you get it all set up, you will notice that there are a lot of options on the monitor itself. You will see a pairing mode to pair the camera. There's a backup mode where you can turn the display lines on and off. You can set a timer for how long you want the camera on, you can change the orientation of the video, and you can also change the display brightness, contrast, and many other options. I will say the buttons on this camera can be a bit finicky at times, but we managed to get them to work just by pressing them a little bit harder. If you're looking for a decent backup camera that is easy to install and wireless, we recommend this.